Hello everyone, welcome back to my class Morphology of Flowering Plants. Today we will study about the topic fruit, seed, solanaceae, and let's start the topic, the fruit. The fruit is a characteristic feature of the flowering plants, as you all know, and it is mature or ripened ovary developed after the fertilization, as you see in the picture. If a fruit is formed without fertilization of the ovary, then it is called as the parthenocarpic fruit. Generally, the fruit consists of a whorl or a pericarp and seeds. The pericarp may be dry or fleshy. When the pericarp is thick and fleshy, it is differentiated into outer epicarp, middle mesocarp, and the inner endocarp. In mango and the coconut, the fruit is known as a drupe. They develop from monocarpillary superior ovaries and are one-seeded. In the mango, the pericarp is well differentiated into the outer thin epicarp, a middle fleshy edible mesocarp, and an inner stony hard endocarp, as you all see in the picture. In the mesocarp, the coconut, which is also a drupe, the mesocarp is fibrous. After that, we will study the seeds. The ovules after fertilization develop into a seed. The seed is made up of a radicle and embryonal axis, and one as in wheat, maize, or two cotyledons as in gram and pea. After that, we will study the structure of dicotyledonous. The outermost covering of a seed is the seed coat. The seed coat has the two layers, the outer testa and the inner tegmen. The hilum is a scar on the seed coat through which the developing seeds were attached to the fruit. Above the hilum is a pore called the micropyle. Within a seed coat is the embryo consisting of an embryonal axis, two cotyledons. The cotyledons are often fleshy and full of reserve food material. At the end, two ends embryonal axis are present, the radicle and the plumule, as you see in the picture. In some seeds such as castor, the endosperm formed as a result of the double fertilization in food-storing tissues and called endospermic seeds. In plants such as bean, gram and pea, the endosperm is not present in mature seeds, and such seeds are called as non-endospermous. After that, we will study about the structures of monocotyledonous plants. Generally, the monocotyledonous seeds are endospermic, but some, as in orchids, are non-endospermic. In the seeds of the cereals such as maize, the seed coat is membranous and generally fused with the fruit wall. The endosperm is bulky and stored food. The outer covering of the endosperm separates the embryo by a proteinaceous layer called as aleuron layer. The embryo is small and situated in a groove at one end of the endosperm. It consists of the one large and shield-shaped cotyledon known as scutellum, and a short axis with a plumule and a radicle. The plumule and a radicle are enclosed in a sheath which is called as coleoptile and coleorhiza. So this is all about today's and the fruit and the seeds. Hope so you like this digitally created video. Thanks for watching my digitally created video. Follow for more, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon. Bye bye guys.